Hey my beautiful sunshine gang, how y'all doing? And if you're new here, my name is August Nicole, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. And today, as y'all can see, is another headband wig review. And today we are reviewing it's Sensational Instant Weave, and it is a half wig, and I got her in the style IWD4, and I got her in the color 1B, and she is 100% premium fiber. And she does come with the 2 combs on the side, and she comes with a comb in the front. The only thing is she doesn't have the adjustable straps. She has a drawstring, and that way you can wear her in a up style too, like they're showing her on the stock card. And she also comes in other colors as well. And the features that this wig have is a cap size can be adjustable to fit various head size. And y'all, that is true, because like before I adjusted the drawstring, I had a lot of room in this wig, and even when I adjusted the drawstring, I still have a lot of room. So you big headed girls out there, y'all can rock her too. And she can be worn as a half wig or updo by adjusting a cap, of course, because y'all see I got her as a half wig. And you know, this a quick, easy hairstyle that you can do. All you gotta do is slick your edges back, put her on, and you can just head on out the door. You know what? This is another beginner friendly wig, and this is another hit in my opinion, because I am loving her right now. As you can see, I got her in the color 1B. She feels like a yucky texture, like a little bit of silky, and it's like a whole lot of yucky in her, but she doesn't feel very like very hard, very plasticky. She feels very good to the touch. But I am liking her, y'all. How are y'all feeling about these waves right here, about these curls? Because I'm loving this style right here. But she's pretty long. She comes like past my boobs, and I'm gonna flip it on to the back so y'all can see how she look on the side. This is how she look on the side, and this is how she looks in the back. But yeah, I am liking her. Even though she had like she doesn't have like a name, but you know, she has a style name, and I like her. Sensational did real good with this one. I really don't review a lot of wigs from them, but I am liking this one right here. I really like this style. And I believe she would be really cute when you put her in a ponytail too, but I'm not even gonna try to attempt to do that, because I know that would take up a lot of time. Well, I don't want to deal with that, but that's just me. If you wanna, like, if you order her, you wanna put her in the updo, I think that would look real pretty. And she shades, but she doesn't shade a lot. But you know, this is a synthetic wig. Synthetic wigs do shade. This is a go for me. I like the style. I like the natural color. I like the waves. I like it, y'all. I really do. But as far as everything goes, I really don't have any cons to say about her. I'm really liking her. This is, like I said, this is another beginner friendly style that you can do. And of course, I got this headband from Dollar Tree. And y'all, that is really all I have to say about this pretty hair wig right here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss out on my videos. And I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.